Aruba Aloe. This is the aloe factory in Aruba. Let's see if they give us a tour. We're gonna get a tour of the aloe vera farm here.
Thank you. You're welcome. Do you want one too?
No.
You guys want one?
No.
Is that water or liquid aloe?
Just no regular water, man. Just regular water. All right. Missing one more for the window.
Yeah, she's coming. She was shopping.
Sorry?
She'll be out in a minute.
I have one.
Once we're done with the tour, there's a lot more shopping going to be done.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. Well, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, everybody's here. Okay, guys. So I guess we're going to start off by saying good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Morning.
How's everyone doing today?
Very
Are
good.
doing good? Enjoying vacation? Enjoying the island?
Yes.
All right. Well, welcome to Aruba Aloe Factory, everyone. My name is Terry. Okay, for the next about, let's say 20, 25 minutes or so, you guys are kind of stuck with me, all right? Sounds good?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to start off right now, everyone. And of course, the beautiful field behind me over here. And if you guys just take a look at the field, you see we actually built it way back in 1890. So the field, as well as the company, is getting close to being 132 years old. Okay, when we first started working with the entire field, you guys see the field was never this big. And back then, we only used to have around maybe what, 10,000 aloe vera plants. But if you guys take a look for me, you guys take a look all the way at the back over there. Those are the recently added additions that we have. So including those ones, we have more than 34, maybe about 35,000 aloe vera plants. Right? Now, is anyone here already familiar with the aloe vera?
Sure.
Oh yes, that was mixed reactions. Well, normally what a lot of people tend to know about the aloe vera is the gel that's inside of the leaf, right?
Yeah.
It's the part that everybody uses, which is this part right over here. Okay. So, you guys ever heard of a yellow sap before? Maybe heard or maybe seen a yellow sap ever? No? Okay, I guess I'm going to show you guys how we're going to get to the yellow sap. Now, it is quite easy. So you have two beautiful aloe vera plants. We're probably going to pick one from this right over here.
It's drying here, so.
Yeah, what about?
What if the thing screams and you cut it?
Right on?
This screams I'm moving. I will fly back to the U.S. by myself. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Alright, now if you guys take a look over here, guys, you guys see, we're going to see a little bit of that yellow sap. Okay, everybody see the yellow sap? Everybody sees it?
Yeah.
Okay, now this yellow sap, see, the interesting part of it is the laxative part of the plant, and it's also the strongest part of the plant that we have. Okay, you guys know what a laxative does to you?
We sure do.
Okay, well that one over there is so strong, you drink around 4 or 5 drops, and then let's say you shit for the rest of the day. Right? Now, would anyone like a small sample of it today?
Can you give it to him because he's full of shit? Is
Oh!
that the first time you've heard that one? I'm little, but I got a big mouth. Sorry.
No problem, no problem. All right.
Just make sure you stay with us.
Okay, so what we used to do with this yellow sap, we used to collect all, you guys see all the yellow sap over here? So we used to collect it, okay? And now what we used to do with it is, that over there we used to boil it, okay? We put it in a very big pot, we used to boil it for about 8 to 10 hours straight. Overnight we let it cool up by itself. In the morning, guys, we get this beautiful black rock from it, all right? Now this black rock, it's what we call the aloe hearts. And what we used to do with it is, we used to export this all over the world. Okay, the pharmaceuticals, they would take it, they would grind it up. They would make kind of a powder version out of it. Then they used to make all types of laxative products using the aloe hearts that we provided for them. Okay, so this became the only form of income we ever got for the island. That is also why the nickname of it is the black gold of Aruba. All right?
Who started this?
2 Dutch people.
2 Dutch people.
Yeah, she started. Yes, ma'am. Any more questions, guys, about it? No? Okay, now, you guys can imagine we no longer work with this yellow sap anymore. Okay, we do not make or produce the aloe hearts. It was mostly because of synthetics. Okay, I mean synthetics, I'm pretty sure everybody knows, is way cheaper, right? Way cheaper, even though it's bad for your body, just was way cheaper. And let's say when the demand dropped, it actually, was a good opportunity for us. Because right now, you guys know our motto. I'm very sure Aruba, one happy island, right? Here on the shirt, you guys probably seen it everywhere already, heard of it before. But back then, because we only used to wear only laxatives, we were actually getting known as the island of, I guess let's say that everybody would come over here, of course to visit, but not for the beaches, all right? Just take a dump, then go back. That was it. Okay, but because the demand dropped, if you guys take a look at my hand, I'm gonna show you guys the beautiful gel we're gonna be extracting today, all right? Let's take a look at my hand over here. This is the gel we're gonna be extracting. Okay, now we're gonna do it the old-fashioned way, kind of like filleting fish. Okay, so we're gonna start off gonna cut both sides of the aloe vera out first. We're gonna flip it over. We're gonna do the second side as well. And then we're gonna fillet the full ass out of the leaf and go all the way to the top. Everybody's so quiet. It's making me nervous. But it's safe.
Just wondering if you've ever cut yourself or anything.
Alright, now, if we did it the right way, and you guys take a look at the leaf for me, we should be able to see a little bit of the liquid gel to put inside all of our products. You guys see it?
Yes.
That's the liquid gel, alright? Alright, now we're going to extract the main gel from the leaf. We're going to do that using the back end of our knife. Okay, so we're going to insert the back end, guys, so we reach the bottom part of it. And from here, very simple, it's a matter of just scraping it from the bottom.
How long does that leaf take to grow?
From a small baby to a fully grown, about maybe 9-10 months, maybe, on Aruba.
You guys are supposed to say, ooh, nah.
Yeah, Karen, that's honestly done. You guys see real that for what we like to call our fillet of aloe. Right? And now with this fillet, if you guys would like to eat it raw right now, you guys can go ahead. Eat it raw. It's very good for stomach aches, stomach burns, gastritis, acid reflux, acid against diabetes. Okay, you can also go ahead and apply it on top of your skin. It's very good for sensitive skin, irritated skin, rashes, mosquito bite, cuts, wounds, burns, you know, you name it. But the only thing you have to keep in mind is you have to rinse it off every single time. Okay, on Aruba, there's the yellow sap over there, it's no joke. You guys already know about the laxative part of it, right? But the part that you guys don't know, it is the most toxic part of the plant that we have. Meaning, if you have very sensitive skin, you let the yellow sap get on top of it, you guys are gonna get some very bad skin irritations or rashes, alright? Now, right now we are gonna sample the gel. So I guess if throughout the rest of the tour you guys develop any irritations or rashes, I mean, there's no need to panic. You guys are already here. Quite an easy fix. Just buy one of our products. That's it. Now, I'm guessing you guys are here because no one here is allergic to the aloe vera that I should know of.
Not that we know of
Not
yet.
that we know of.
Guess we're gonna find
I
out
have
today, huh?
EpiPens in the car.
Oh, hopefully no one is. If you guys are, we're gonna find a little bit as well. But like I said before, it's an easy fix, right? Well, ready, man?
Can we like eat that?
If you want it, yeah, if you want to eat it, you can.
Can I try?
You want to try it? Yeah, of course. No problem.
How long has that water been sitting there? I see bugs near it.
No, which ones? No, that one. No, we're gonna rinse it off before we eat. We're gonna rinse it off. We're gonna get a nice clean water.
Make sure you rinse it off, Deborah.
Yeah, you should.
Okay. Now,
What happens if you eat, like, if you drink that whole thing of yellow gel?
For a long time.
Would you die? You'd be in the toilet so much you probably die, right?
we actually have a funny story with that. So we got a local gentleman who came here looking for the yellow sap. Okay, and we told him the same thing. You know, remember the laxative part of it, and he thought, you know, we were just making a joke from the yellow sap. No, we're actually serious about it. So we told him, okay, we give him two or four of the leaves. Then we give him just use one of the leaves. Give him maybe kind of a small teaspoon. Just turn it on like that. Stay good. And what he did is he basically drank 2 tablespoons of it. And so basically here in Aruba, even though the island is very, very small, to get from one side of the island to the other side to the hospital, it's about 30-45 minutes away. Imagine you one of the emergency, one of the people that work in the ambulance, and you're dealing with someone that has explosive diarrhea nonstop. You just going at it the whole damn way, all the way from the other side all over here. So
Yeah, you have to have like IV fluids and stuff. I'm sick.
yeah, I mean he was very dehydrated, like just because it doesn't stop. It doesn't have an on or off button. It just keeps on going. Right? It's not gonna happen to you too, alright? It's gonna happen to you. So. Come over here. Yeah, just grab it over there. Grab the piece.
Can I try this?
Yeah, of course. So you guys are
What is this one good for? The piece to try?
good for stomach aches, stomach burns, gastritis, acid reflux, diabetes. You have to swallow it. Okay, don't chew it. Don't chew it. Just swallow it. Yeah.
Too late.
Give it a good crunch and just swallow it. Right? Don't chew it. Just swallow it.
Like a juicy oyster.
Did it taste gross?
So slim. Oh, so full. Not bad. It's pretty good.
It doesn't have any specific taste to it. If you guys like the taste of cucumber, that's probably maybe try and like it as well. Other than that, it doesn't have any really specific taste to it at all. Alright?
I'll sit with the sample.
Happy enough with that.
Ready, man? I'm good. Ready? Okay. Here. Want to try? Put both hands together for me. Nobody want to touch it? Nobody want to touch
You
it?
can touch it. It's not
No,
yellow.
just put both hands. You're going to put it on top of you. You're going to pass it around. I'm just going to rub it on top of your body for me. Just pass it around. And then just pass it around.
Don't rub it on me.
Yeah, it's one of the main reasons we still use it for burns.
Now, what do you rub it? Where do you rub this on?
Wherever you want.
Whatever you want. If you have a burn, you have any burns? Are you get sunburned at all?
Actually, I did.
Then put it on that.
Burns and irritations, anywhere you want.
You go much better.
So I can like put this on my face also?
Of course, yeah.
Does it feel better?
Yeah, I feel moist.
Cooling off?
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like I had second degree burn.
So if you put that on, you should have to get down.
All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, before we go inside, because okay, yeah. All right, now we're gonna take a look at the factory. Okay, if you guys have any questions for me so far about the plant or the field? It's interesting.
How long do you like keep it if you take it off the plant?
Like the gel or the leaf
Yeah, the
itself?
gel.
The gel, if you put it in a bowl of water, stick it in the fridge, it will stay good for about 4 or 5 days max.
That's the, some of the plants, they're flowering.
Yes, ma'am, but the flowers are useless.
Oh,
You just cut it off.
They're just pretty.
Yeah, they're just pretty. That's all they are.
Don't make them feel bad about themselves. They're pretty. They're not useless.
No, they actually really are. The only thing they actually okay, they're not that useless. The only thing they do is they take a lot of energy from the plant and then the vitamins and minerals. That's why we just cut them off. Other than that, they don't have any properties to them at all.
Are you able to propagate the plants?
Well, actually, we used to use the seeds, but the seeds are dormant. So, so when they brought it here, they actually thought we can propagate it using the flowers that it has. But because the seeds are dormant, the only way you can actually really grow them is you see at the roots of it, you have a bunch of babies taken out. That's how you can propagate it. So you just break the babies off, not somewhere else.
Oh, okay. It just planted. You don't have to root them. Or
No. And then from the good thing about it, from one
There
single
we go
plant,
again.
you can get anywhere. For the first time you harvest, anywhere between 20 and 25 babies from it. And then from these other plants, each time you keep on harvesting, you're gonna get a bunch of babies as well. So if you guys, want to start your own plantation, start competing with us, that's how we do it, all right? That's what we did. Okay, you guys ready to go inside? Everybody ready? Yes. Let's go, guys.
Pure aloe. There's the scientific aloe vera gel. How much they weigh. This must be the packaging. Yep, here's the packaging, what they do. Body lotion. Here's a shipped to the USA, to Europe, perfectly packaged. Peppermint shipped overseas. I'll get this set manually inspected and signed off. These tags are added to our gift sets. Distributed to more than 30 countries all around the world. Delivered to 15 plus stores around the island. DOD tourist special badge. And this is the bottling procedures that they were doing downstairs. Aloe vera, 100% pure aloe gel. And these are samples, and you can try while you're here. Your first shiny, silent, and draw little things. Handcrafted soap. Clothes. Body lotion. Lemongrass. Forget one of these. Right here. If you want to stop, freeze the channel and read it. Here's another one. There's your blonde. Essential oils, lavender. Try skincare. This is what it does to your skin. Okay, everything. One second. Eczema. Yeah. Medical care for the skin. Here's what aloe also does to the body. If you like to read it, you can freeze the screen, come back and read it. Alright, we're gonna go back down and get some product.